Clean Mist 1.7 gallons. Smart Humidifier. Fill your home or office with clean, pure, life-giving moisture from the Clean Mist Smart Humidifier. This humidifier puts moisture back into your home to help your family sleep better and look better. The Air Innovations Clean Mist Smart Humidifier features a permanent ceramic filter, digital humidistat with 5 settings, and an on-off timer. Run time, 96 hours. Tank size, 1.7 gallons. Materials, 100% plastic. Dimensions, 11.75 inches length by 10.13 inches width by 20.25 inches height. Weight, 6 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Why do you need a humidifier? A humidifier is a critical part of your home. These state-of-the-art humidifiers add moisture to the dry air to help you sleep and breathe better. When you use your heater during winter, the air inside gets dry. This, combined with cold outside air, can make breathing more difficult. An Air Innovations humidifier adds more moisture into your home so that your nasal passages stay lubricated, which makes breathing easier. A humidifier can also help rehydrate your skin and ease sore throats and coughs. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Features: 1.7-gallon tank that runs for a full 96 hours on low 12 nights of sleep and is completely silent when running. The permanent ceramic filter you never need to replace. 5 mist settings. Adjustable humidistat, 24-hour timer. Remote control. Number 2. Versatility. The Air Innovations Model 701BA Ultrasonic Cool Mist Smart Humidifier is one of the top-rated, longest-running, and most versatile humidifiers available for its size. Number 3. Room size. Powerful enough to add humidity to large and extra-large rooms up to 600 square feet. Number 4. Programmable built-in humidistat that monitors and maintains the humidity level you set. Number 5. Auto shut-off. Auto safety shut-off and audio beep when it runs out of water. Number 6. Advanced digital interface. The humidifier features a fully programmable timer to set the unit to turn on and off when you want. You can also use this digital interface to adjust the mist level, dim the display, or turn the button beeping off. The display also shows what your current humidity level is, and by using the humidistat button you can set your desired humidity level. This smart display is also capable of alerting you when your humidifier is out of water. Number 7. Floor standing capabilities. Unlike other branded humidifiers, this humidifier model comes with a 15 inches extension nozzle. With this extension nozzle, you can easily move this unit from its tabletop placement to a floor standing placement. Using the extension nozzle, you can enjoy your humidifier in every room of your home. Number 8. Remote included. This unit also comes with a convenient remote. Using our convenient remote, you can turn the humidifier on and off, adjust the mist output, set a delayed start, adjust your humidity settings, turn on, off the button beeping, and dim the display for night use. Handling a humidifier has never been simpler. Number 9. Aromatherapy feature. The aromatherapy feature generates a warm, inviting environment for your home. Fill your space with a beautiful fragrance to elevate the mood and relieve stress from a difficult day. Create a spa-like ambience in seconds with the help of these essential oil humidifier aromatherapy pads. 2 scents are currently available. You can find soothing eucalyptus and rejuvenating lavender, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.